Welcome to The Voice America. Today we'll be discussing on how Donald Trump sued his niece Mary Trump. But before we continue, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to always get updated on our latest video. Let's begin. Former President Donald Trump filed a lawsuit in Nye State Court Tuesday against his niece Mary Trump, also as several Nye Times journalists, for the exposure of his tax information that was distributed in numerous Nye Times articles. The tax information revealed not shocking, but still disappointing details, including Trump's payment of little to no taxes. Yet, Donald Trump is alleging that these documents were obtained illegally and can be seeking financial damages from the defendants, including his own niece. Donald Trump's lawsuit alleges that Mary Trump's release of the tax information to the Nye Times created an illegal violation of contract, amongst other accusations, because the disclosure supposedly infringed a 2001 settlement agreement among the Trump family. Within the legal documents, Donald Trump claims that the 2001 settlement within the Trump family restricts members from sharing such information like his minimal tax payments. Additionally, Trump's lawsuit alleges that his niece conspired with the Nye Times to get the tax information thanks to being motivated by a private vendetta. It's been detailed that, although the damages Donald Trump is seeking hasn't been announced yet, it's believed it'll be no, but $100 million. The precise amount of damages won't be determined until the trial. Donald Trump's lawsuit also accuses the Times journalists of tortious interference with the family settlement and how they relentlessly sought out Mary Trump and intentionally procured her breach of the settlement agreement. The journalists cited as defendants within the lawsuit are Suzanne Craig, David Barstow, and Russ Buettner. The actions of Mary Trump, and therefore the Times defendant, were motivated, a minimum of partially, by their actual malice towards plaintiff, the lawsuit asserts. It claims that the Nye Times journalists unjustly reaped significant personal, professional and/or business-related benefits, including, but not limited to, monetary gain, fame, acclaim, notoriety, inflated market valuation, increased revenue, and/or career advancement. Donald Trump is additionally arguing that the reporters who approached Mary for the tax documents are even as legally liable for disclosing the confidential documents as Mary is. With countless policies in situ to assure that publications are liberal to release such material, it'll be difficult for Trump to prove. During a statement, Mary Trump said, "I think he's a loser, and he's getting to throw anything against the wall he can. It's desperation. The walls are closing in, and he's throwing anything against a wall that he thinks will stick." As is usually the case with Donald, he'll attempt to change the topic. A spokesperson for the Nye Times also released a press release that said the newspaper's coverage of Donald Trump's taxes helped inform citizens through meticulous reporting on a topic of overriding public interest. This lawsuit is an effort to silence independent news organizations, and that we decide to vigorously defend against it. Consistent with the Nye Times, the Pulitzer Prize-winning reporters involved conducted an 18-month investigation of Trump's finances that debunked his claims of self-made wealth and revealed a business empire riddled with tax dodges. However, at the time, Donald Trump dismissed the story as a very old, boring and sometimes told hit piece. Yet, he never directly argued that any of the findings were false. Trump's lawyer Charles Harder said at the time that the Nye Times allegations of fraud and evasion are 100% false and highly defamatory. With this lawsuit, it seems that the tax documents had more truth than he was willing to disclose. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to always get updated on our latest